Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to straighten a cable. This will be a tutorial for removing kinks from a cable, and these will be easy instructions, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. As you can see right here, I have a cable and it is just slightly kinked. As you can see, it's got a slight curve to it. Basically, you just have a couple of kink spots. You have one over here, two over here, and three over here, and it's not that bad. But there are some cables that are kinked way worse than this. So, if you have something like this, you probably don't want to straighten it too much. It's not so big of a deal. But if your cable is significantly kinked, you can use these steps and these instructions to de-kink it. Okay? So, step number one is unplug it completely. So you want to make sure it's unplugged on both ends. So you can see with this one right here, I've obviously unplugged it from the device. This is just a charging cable for my camera. It's a charging cable. You can use it for various other things as well. But I use it for my camera. So I've unplugged it over here from the actual camera device, and I've unplugged it here from the charging brick. You want to unplug it as much as you possibly can. Literally get just the cable as bare bones as you can get it, okay? That's number one. Step number two is to lay it out flat. So find a flat surface, a table, a desk, the floor, it doesn't matter. Just lay it out flat. That's the first thing. You want to make sure it's on a flat surface. Lay it out nice and flat, okay? Step three, gently stretch it, ever so gently. Now, I'm emphasizing ever so gently. When it's laying flat on a flat surface, let's say this is laying on a table, I'm going to grab each end, and I'm not grabbing right over here. I'm grabbing the cable, not the ends, right? So don't grab the ends. Go to the end of the cable. I'm on the cable now, and I'm on the cable. And you can even go a little bit further in, just to be extra safe. Okay, because the ends are going to be a vulnerable spot. The cable's all coated nicely. So I'm grabbing the cable, not the ends. I'm grabbing the end sides of the cable, but not the actual ends that sort of plug into other stuff. And I'm stretching it ever so gently. Nothing crazy. Look, barely any pressure at all. Ever so gently. Okay, just like that. And this isn't going to make a massive difference on most cables, but it will start to get it into position. It's not going to make a huge difference on most cables because most cables are flexible, so they're going to come back to where they've been trained to go. But it will make a difference on certain cables that are a little bit more tougher, more durable, that are a little bit more bendy. Okay, so ever so gently stretch it. Okay, it's going to start to take form. Step number four is to bend the kinks gently in the opposite directions. So take a look over here. This kink right here is bent like this. You can see that right there. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to bend it gently in the opposite direction, like that. And I'm retraining it to get straighter again. Nothing too hard. Look, just a slight bend. Look at that, it's starting to straighten out. Okay, look over here. Over here, there's another kink bend like this, right? I'm going to bend it ever so gently in the opposite direction. Just like that. Just like that. Look at that. Another kink over here. Look at this. Ever so gently. Just like that. In the opposite direction. We're starting to get it. Look, another kink right over here. Look. Ever so gently. In the opposite direction. Look at that. That's starting to look straighter by the minute over here. All right. Last but not least is number five, which is to let books sit on top of it. And you want a good amount of weight, but not too much weight. So let me explain this. When you've sort of, when you've sort of bent the kinks out, you've stretched it out ever so gently, you're laying it flat on a table or a desk or any flat surface, you want to get books and place them on top of the cable. Now, you don't have to place books on every square inch of the cable. You can place a book over here, a book in the middle, a book at the end. Now, you want to get books that aren't super light, but also aren't super heavy. Just think like not so thick hardcover books, okay? You don't want to choose soft cover books because they might be not heavy enough, but you also don't want to choose like something that's super thick as a hardcover book because it might be too heavy. So think along the lines of not too thick hardcover books, okay? And yeah, place them down, let it sit for, I don't know, half an hour, a couple hours, and it should start to take straighter shape again. And that's it. Just do those things and you can straighten out your cable, get your cable nice and straight. You can see it's already much straighter than it was before, and I didn't even use any of the weighted book methods yet, anything like that, right? So just the key is just keep working it straighter and straighter, and you will get it nice and straight and remove those bends and kinks from the cable. And that's truly it. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video, and I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the official outro for this official video tutorial. It's not It's not an official video tutorial. I should say this is my official outro for my videos, but the tutorial is not official. Like, it's not an official kink removing tutorial. It's just me talking about my opinion. So I should rephrase it like this, and this is the final time I'll say this. It's not an official video tutorial by any means, but this will be my official outro. So, with nothing else to say for this video tutorial, I'm going to officially roll my own official outro. All right, so without further ado, here's the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.